Donovan Catholic High School, a place where students can grow both educationally and spiritually. A safe, nurturing environment that serves to educate its students to live their faith, respect and serve others, and pursue academic excellence. Since 1962, Donovan Catholic has provided a focused, rigorous educational environment, encouraging our students to their fullest capabilities. We provide the highest quality education where students excel in academics, athletics, performing, and fine arts, gain confidence, and succeed in a faith-based, student leadership-centered, and safe environment. With the ever-changing educational landscape and emphasis on preparing for college, Donovan Catholic High School has created programs geared toward making sure that your child is not only ready for the future, but poised to succeed above all others. While the primary focus of high school is education, it's not the full spectrum of a child's growth. Donovan Catholic High School also prides itself on its extracurricular activities, which will give your student the well-rounded, full experience that colleges and universities are looking for. The Donovan Catholic Fine and Performing Arts Education Program strives to make the arts a fundamental part of the student's learning experience by providing an outstanding arts curriculum for every student interested in music, drama, and visual arts, in addition to a curricular program that includes classes in skill building, aesthetics, and critique. A plethora of co-curricular activities in each of these areas allows students the opportunity for personal expression, intellectual and social development. The Fine and Performing Arts program includes drawing, painting, and sculpting, as well as photography and videography. The program also includes performing arts with Drama Club and the International Thespian Society. And each year there is a fall production as well as a spring musical. If your child enjoys performing instrumental or vocal music, we have programs for that as well. Whatever your students' interests, Donovan Catholic High School has an arts program for them. As the first high school in the Diocese of Trenton to institute the Catholic Athletes for Christ program, Donovan Catholic has made spiritual learning a critical part of the sports life at Donovan. All of Donovan Catholic's programs and initiatives flow from our school's mission, which is to educate our students to live their faith, respect and serve others in a global society, and pursue academic excellence in a college preparatory environment. To that end, Donovan Catholic leaders, faculty, and staff support and enrich the school's Catholic culture by integrating faith within the curriculum and encouraging prayer and worship as a school community. Mirroring the teachings of Pope Francis, the principles of forgiveness, love, and service to others will support the school's commitment to enriching the faith of the entire Donovan Catholic community. The Christian service component at Donovan Catholic offers all students at every grade level the opportunity to share their gifts in a dynamic service program. This program provides many events for all members of the school community to deepen their understanding and commitment to Jesus and His message of compassion and peace, service and love. Donovan Catholic students are required to meet minimum Christian service hours requirements in order to graduate. Students that exceed 100 hours of service in a given school year are eligible to receive a Bronze Service Award, excess of 175 hours a Silver Service Award, and in excess of 250 hours a Gold Service Award. And now you know how Donovan Catholic High School will help your child succeed in the future. Donovan will show them what it's like to be well-rounded, respectful, and courteous. And with Donovan Catholic students last year receiving over $22 million in academic scholarships to attend college, and 60% of Donovan seniors receiving at least one merit scholarship that exceeded the cost of tuition at Donovan Catholic High School, it's time to make an investment in your son or daughter and have them be part of something special. High school is a choice. So if your child needs a more challenging environment where they can excel and define their future, Donovan Catholic High School is the best choice. Come and see why Donovan Catholic really does make a difference. Please join us at Donovan Catholic Open House on Sunday, October 24th at 2 p.m. and Tuesday, October 26th at 6 p.m. Visit donovancatholic.org to register.